हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं अनुज मिश्रा आप लोग का वेलकम करता हूँ हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल ही रिजल्ट में, जहाँ पे आपके कहने के बेसिस पे और हमारे आइडियाज़ के बेसिस पे आपको वीडियोस मिलती रहती है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा आज का ये वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले हमारे चैनल को अगर सब्सक्राइब ना किया हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दे और बेल आइकन को ऑन नोटिफिकेशन पे ऑन कर दें। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं और बिना स्किप किए वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखिएगा। आज हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करने जा रहे हैं, जैसा कि सिंथेटिक फाइबर एंड प्लास्टिक चैप्टर के एक्सप्लेनेशन मैंने कंप्लीट कर दिए हैं। अब हम क्वेश्चन आंसर करने जा रहे हैं। व्हाट आर नेचुरल एंड मैन-मेड मटेरियल? दोज मटेरियल विच occur इन नेचर एंड यूज्ड as such are called natural material, example wool, jute, etc. Whereas material which are obtained from natural material, also called raw material, by chemical process called non-man-made material, example plastic paints, etc. Next question, what is meant by synthetic fiber? The man-made fiber from simple small molecules called synthetic fiber. What write the two characteristics of synthetic fiber? Characteristics of synthetic fiber are they are very strong, more elastic, they are easy to wash and dry. Next question, write write are the polyester properties. What are write the properties of polyester? I think I had written question wrong, so please see it from your book. Okay, wait a minute. No, I had written that only. You just see this question from your book. So answer properties of polyesters are: polyester fiber are quite strong. Polyester fiber absorb very little water. Polyester are wrinkle resistant. Differentiate between thermoplastic and thermosetting. Okay, thermoplastic, a plastic substance which can be melted by heating and can be molded again into different shapes, called thermosetting. A thermoplastic, okay, they it becomes soft. They are less tough comparison to thermosetting. They are also less resistant to high temperature. Here I had written thermosetting, so that is wrong. Thermoplastic here. Wait a minute, I'll show you. ये जस्ट यहाँ पे वेट वेट करिए आप। ये वर्ड देखिए, मैंने यहाँ पे थर्मोसेटिंग लिखा है, ये थर्मोप्लास्टिक होगा, तो इसे आप क्लियर कर लीजिएगा। प्लास्टिक है, ओके, थर्मोप्लास्टिक। नेक्स्ट, फिर थर्मोसेटिंग, whereas the thermoplastic substance which can once molded into particular shape does not become soft on heating and cannot mold it again. They are not soft, they are tough and rigid, and they are more resistant to high temperature. Okay, next question, what is synthetic plastic? Describe the kinds of synthetic plastic. Polymers which can be easily molded into any shapes on heating, called synthetic plastic. Kinds of synthetic plastic are thermoplastic. These plastics can be molded again and again on heating. It is smooth and soft. They are resistant of low temperature. For example, acrylic polyester. Thermosetting, they can be molded only once. These are tough and hard. They are resistant of high temperature. Example, Teflon bakelite. Next, Next, explain polythene. Write its properties and uses. Polythene is obtained by polymerization of ethane H2CH2. It is uh, non-biodegradable as it is soluble in all solvent. It can be molded in any shape and numbers of time. It is lightweight um and um, and it is an insulator. Properties: it is lightweight and transported easily. It does not absorb water, so it is impermeable impermeable to water. Polythene in whitish translucent material. Uses: to make carry bags, adhesive tapes, etc. To make strong containers for kitchen, as an insulator for electric wire. Next question, write advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fiber. Advantages, it can be produced on large scale and hence they cost less. These fibers are more strong, durable and shiny. These fibers require less care and do not need frequent ironing. Disadvantages, synthetic fibers are water repellent, they do not absorb sweat. Some synthetic fibers catch fire more rapidly than cotton and wool. Synthetic fibers are non-biodegradable, therefore they cause soil pollution. Next question, mention a few problems associated with the excessive use of plastic. Problems associated with use of plastics are when plastic burn, they produce toxic gases and smokes that cause air pollution. When plastic waste are dumped in water, they result water pollution. The polybags carelessly thrown here and there are responsible for clogging clogging the drains and sewers line. Most plastic waste dumped in landfills cause soil pollution. Chemical used in factories for preparation of plastic can cause cancer among the workers working in factory. Animal like cow eat food waste from garbage dumps while eating the food or in polythene bags or eaten by animals, which can cause death or what is this shock their respiratory system. Next question, explain synthetic fiber at its characteristics. Synthetic fiber is like thread which is strong and flexible enough to make clothes, rayons, nylons, or artificial fiber. Characteristics are they are color resistant and do not bleed color when washed. They retain their crease longer and do not wrinkle. They do not shrink when washed. They are resistant to attacks by moths. They do not absorb water or sweat. They are inflammable and want to wear in kitchen. सो हमारा क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट हुआ. सो हमारा क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट हुआ. अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होता है तो आप हमसे कमेंट सेक्शन में बात कर सकते हैं या फिर हम डिस्क्रिप्शन में हमारा इंस्टाग्राम आईडी दिए हैं, वहाँ पर आकर हमसे आप डायरेक्टली बात कर सकते हैं. सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए थैंक्स, टाटा, बाय बाय और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दें. थैंक्स, टाटा, बाय बाय. बी सेफ, स्टे एट योर होम, बी सेफ.